divided by what is it? What is it? Oh shit. Never mind. Never mind.
You
I
can't
just
do that.
made the
You
I
you
just did the
can't
math
pull
wrong.
dt out of its place. Dt has to be there. If you pull it out,
I know, I know,
then
I know.
it loses sense. So yeah, if you pull it out, it loses.
Hmm.
It has to be
Huh.
there. So basically,
Right.
what Gojo does is the time taken to cover a distance becomes infinity. Therefore, you can never cover it. What
Yeah.
Jotaro does
Yeah.
is he breaks that shit and he makes it zero.
Yeah.
Gojo's ability can't work. He just
Yeah.
passes through. That's it.
Hmm.
In order for what we are
And then
arguing here is that in order for Gojo's ability to work, time needs to pass. What you are arguing is
time
that
needs to
Gojo's
pass.
ability does not relate to time, and that it only it's only
Wait
focused
a
on the
second.
distance, on the space. Yeah.
Yeah.
If it was focused on distance, you're correct. But if it's focused on time, we are correct. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that is a if.
Hmm.
That's a huge if. But the thing is, in the anime, it was said that you start moving slower and slower. He never said that the distance between me and you is infinity. So therefore, you can never touch me. We even see the guys slowly closing in, closing in, closing in, and they
Yeah.
stopped. They didn't keep moving. They just stopped. That
Hmm.
that is a clear indication that velocity becomes zero.
Yeah.
Hell. You know what? I'll show you something. I'll show you something. You see this? You see this effect? You see this?
Yeah.
See what?
Wait. The velocity. If you turn d into here infinity and t as anything else, what do you get?
Uh,
One sec.
uh,
Send it.
the,
Send it. Send
if
it.
we turn that into infinity, it
No. Right here,
becomes infinity.
In
In
the Gojo
this,
equation.
this,
The
if
Gojo
d
Yeah.
equation.
equals to infinity, it becomes
Okay.
infinity.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
If distance becomes
So
infinity, it becomes infinity.
let's
Velocity equals to
say
infinity.
dt has some value. Dt has some value, but
Yeah.
d becomes infinity. What happens to v?
Infinity.
Uh.
Infinity. Which
What?
but that
Yeah,
doesn't
that's
work.
true.
That doesn't work. No, that doesn't work.
Yeah.
See,
Think about
see,
it.
Yeah.
That
see.
doesn't work.
When
So which means
time is
time
in
is an
okay by the
integral factor.
equation when time is
Yeah.
infinity, what is distance?
Mhm.
What is
Time is
distance when time is infinity? Like by the normal
yeah,
equation, speed time distance
zero.
equation.
The distance becomes zero. The velocity equals to zero when time is equal to infinity.
Yeah. So distance does not play a
The
role here.
yeah. Again, the same way Gojo's thing works. Again, it doesn't matter how far, you will never reach him,
See,
no matter how far you are.
speed is equal to distance by time. Yes,
Yeah.
Yeah.
speed is equal to distance by time. So speed
You
into
cannot
time is
rearrange
equal
it.
to distance.
You
Speed is
cannot
equal to
rearrange that.
distance into time.
You cannot rearrange it.
No,
I'm
no,
sorry.
no,
You cannot
no, no, no,
rearrange
no,
it.
no, no, no. See, speed into time is equal to distance. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So when distance is infinite, time is also infinite.
What? What?
See, speed,
But then you get velocity as equal to one.
Again, it also depends like
velocity.
infinity into zero. Is that zero? It has to be zero, right? Infinity times zero, it's zero.
Infinity into zero,
Well,
zero. Anything can be brought back to zero.
yeah, velocity should no, it's not velocity, it's speed. But when you're traveling, when you have infinite time and there's infinite distance to cover, speed should be equal to one.
Now, listen, okay? What happens here? No. Jotaro doesn't make time for himself infinite. He makes time for the entire universe zero.
No, no, that's not how it works. If
Time does not
if
pass
uh, if
anywhere.
Dio if Dio is able to listen, the one argument that I'm arguing with you guys instead of against you guys is that when Dio stops time, he does not make the universe, zero and him. I don't know, like what did you
Yeah,
just say?
that's
Like,
the
yeah,
problem. Ashik.
yeah,
It's like
that's the thing. The thing is, he
yeah,
is moving at infinite while everyone else is moving at normal speed. That's why time stops. It's not because he makes the universe time zero. He's moving at infinite speed. That's the thing.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that I can argue
Again,
with you guys instead of
again,
against you guys.
wouldn't
but
the, yeah.
but if he's moving at infinite speed, he breaks Gojo's ability just like that. If he
Yeah,
moves at
see, the
infinite
thing
speed,
is,
he
he's
breaks it.
moving at infinite speed. He's moving at infinite
Yeah.
speed, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
And Gojo has infinite distance or infinite time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, infinite time, let's say. In infinity into infinity is infinity squared. The distance between them is now infinity squared.
What?
Yeah,
that's
speed
not how
into
the
time is equal
equation
to
works.
distance.
The
What?
one thing I told you was you cannot rearrange it, Ashik. dt has to remain where it is. You rearrange it, it breaks the entire thing. You have to, because we're using infinity and zero, my guy. We cannot shift its position.
Yeah, that's true
Infinity and
too.
zero.
Yeah, like if you have zero, then you can shift the position. But
Wonder if we
All right.
should, if we
infinity,
Yes.
should get math
Okay. No,
professors
no,
on
no,
this
no,
shit.
no. No, no, no. For now, we are not talking about the derived one. All right. We are just talking about the standard equation.
Yeah.
S into T is equal to D.
S into
Okay.
t is equal to d. The standard one is s is equal to d by t. That's the standard one.
Alright.
Uh, well, you can rearrange it at this point. But
No, you
yeah,
can't. You shouldn't.
you
Like,
can.
listen. In physics, yes. In JoJo, no, you cannot. You
What
JoJo,
do you mean you cannot?
break.
No,
What
no,
is the
dude, that's
reason
how
you cannot?
physics works, man. That's not how physics
Okay,
works.
do. Okay.
You
Listen,
Bro,
can rearrange it. You
listen.
can rearrange it.
Let's say. No, no, no. Let's say. In case of Dio or Jotaro, let's say time stops.
All
Okay,
right.
let's say time
okay.
stops. They move like 10 meters and time resumes. So they cover 10 meters in 0 seconds. So what you're trying to say is, if you rearrange it, you're basically trying to say that no, they never covered distance at any point.
Oh
They
no,
never did.
that's the thing. That's the
That's what
thing.
we're saying.
See, that's the
You
thing.
can't
That's the
rearrange
thing.
it.
No, 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 no. That's where you're wrong. See, he has 5 seconds to move. Yes,
Yeah,
Yeah.
he has 5 seconds to move, and
Yeah.
he
yeah,
his basically his something is infinite. All right, let's say something is
Yeah.
infinite. If he
Yeah.
is moving in those 5 seconds, he's moving 5 times as fast as infinity, which is infinity.
So he's moving infinitely fast. So
okay.
in that case, it can doesn't matter
He,
if the infinity slows him down.
he is moving infinite. Okay, you know what? Yeah, that is true. But that's what I just proved you guys.
Yeah,
Like
dude,
that is
you
literally what
proved
I
you
just said.
proved the other
That is
case, right?
literally what I that is literally what I just said. That I'm arguing with you guys against you guys just a second
Yeah.
ago.
Yeah. So now
Yeah,
No,
what?
no, but then
that is one
what
way
does
that I
Gojo's
can see
ability
it
work on?
if you are going by time.
Just a fun fact, we have
What
been
does Gojo's
arguing
ability
for
work on?
about 45 minutes, I think.
No, no, no. Listen. This is interesting. This is interesting.
Yeah.
So, what does Gojo's ability work on?
It works on the space around
It,
him, not on the person. Works on the space around
yeah,
him.
yeah. They
Yeah,
say
but the
space.
space around him is
That's
not
where the
bending
argument.
anything.
Yeah, no, no.
It's
In the
not
space
bending, right?
around him, he turns the time. Basically, he turns the time it takes to get to him infinity.
Yeah, yeah. But then that says, but light does not bend.
Light.
Yeah.
Does
No, no,
not
no, no.
bend.
Gojo makes
Light.
exceptions. Gojo makes exceptions for what he wants to go
Yeah,
through
he
or
can
not.
make a he can selectively allow things.
Okay. That's good. That's good. Wait, wait. Then can't Dio just throw a gazillion knives at him during time stop? What's he gonna
He
do?
can.
Oh
He
no,
can.
that no.
No,
He
no,
has
no.
6 eyes, which automatically determines threats.
Yeah.
Oh, then that's useless. Hmm.
Again, well, that's not. That's besides the point. What we're arguing here is that time stop does time stop negate infinity? It does.
It does. It depends. It depends. If you say that the time taken to reach Gojo becomes infinity, it could.
Basically,
The distance
does Gojo
again.
alter the
No.
space or does he alter the time?
If he alters the
They
time,
say
time stop is
space.
going to work.
No, they specifically
Most of
say
the
If it
time,
time.
they
alters
say
the space,
space.
it won't work.
No, no, maybe. Okay, listen. Okay, we are talking about a guy who ended a manga in 271 chapters. Maybe he just didn't think
My
it that
roommate's
through.
calling. My
He
roommate's
didn't
calling. My
think
roommate's
it
calling.
through,
My roommate's
honestly.
calling. Wait. My roommate's
I
calling.
have
One
college
second.
at 8.
Yes, yeah, I have a call at 9.
We will argue this tomorrow. I will come up with a
Yeah.
better
By the way,
argument.
I was recording for
Oh.
the past 9 minutes.
Well, that's gonna be a blast to hear tomorrow morning.
Yep.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah,
Oh no, I don't even know if
I'm
I'm gonna wake up
gonna
early tomorrow.
I'm gonna end the recording.